kasabihan sa Ingles, and I quote, "Train a child in the way he should go, and when he's old, he will not depart from it." End quote. Kaya naman mga kamarino, importante na kahit bata pa lamang ang ating mga anak, ay binibigyan na natin sila ng mga pagsasanay na makakatulong sa kanilang development. Ang tamang attitude po. At ang Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation offers a fun and learning activity for your children this summer. Isang bonding activity ang handog ng Gregorio Oca Leadership Development Foundation sa pamilyang Marino ngayong buwan ng Mayo. Masayang ibinahagi ni Mrs. Mia Morales, Executive Director ng GOLD, ang bago nilang programa, ang Karate para sa Pamilyang Marino.
So, according to the Progressive Karatado League, karate is a form of sport that promotes the following values that are in line with GOLD's advocacies. And these values are discipline, humility, integrity, responsibility, credibility, commitment, and respect.
Karate bonding? Aba, okay yan ah. Ayon nga kay Shihan Dennis Aquino ng Philippine Karate Do League,
before, I'm a very shy type and skinny boy. So, because of karate, practicing karate, I learned karate to become a competent person, right?
nakakatuwang panoorin ang mga bata.
Yung confidence kung paano nadidevelop sa bata. Ito yung social benefits. Dahil yung relationship with other kids, relationship with adults, nag-gain ng isang pumapasok sa sports.
Dahil sa pagpapractice ng karate ni Angelo, ng aking anak, minsan nadadala niya na rin. Minsan kahit nasa bahay kami, kakausapin ko siya, imbis na yes daddy, sabihin na sa akin, yes sensei. Opo sensei. Kumbaga, yung respect na natututunan niya sa karate is nadadala niya sa bahay.
No age limit pala ang karate do. Basta kaya, go lang ng go. Learning self-defense is as easy as learning your ABCs pala.
Now I will show you the kata or form exercise. This is the essence of karate do. Every moves have different application. This is one of the advanced kata in Shitoryu karate. As I said, every move have different application or use that will use in the self-defense.
Sabi nga, ang sports ay napakagandang paraan para turuan ang ating mga anak ng tamang disiplina.
Kung titingnan nyo kung ano yung mga nakapaloob sa physical benefits, ito yung fitness, stress relief, mastery, healthy habits. And then sa personal benefits, valuing preparation, resilience, attitude control, leadership opportunities, identity and balance, time management, long-term thinking. And then, of course, the social benefits. Relationship with other kids, teamwork, diversity, relationship with adults, participating in a community.
Isang kapaki-pakinabang na activity para sa buong pamilya.
May buong pamilya, yung misis ko is, we're practicing karate.
Okay.
Hanggang ngayon, hanggang pati yung bunso ko. So, medyo lamang kasi bilang isang pamilya, nandun na yung regular na banding ng isang pamilya.
Okay.
Na ginagawa namin, namamasyal, nagsisimba. Pero since may ginagawa kaming isang bagay na gusto namin lahat, lalong na-strengthen yung family namin.
Inaanyahan po namin kayong lahat na makiisa at sumali sa ating programa na gagawin sa Mayo 28-29.
Yesyo Amoso Sports Complex. Sa lahat po ng mga interesado, makipag-ugnayan lang po kayo sa GOLD.
Sana po magkita-kita tayo ron kasama ang inyong buong pamilya.
Mga kamarino, spend quality time with your family through Karate Do. There's nothing like sports to bring the family closer and healthier. Kia!
Marichelle Yao would like to thank Dr. Almond Derla of La Estetica, Tomas Morato Branch, with hotline 332-8604.